Good evening, folks. We are live just as the clock turned from 9:17, excuse me, to 9:18, and we are battling for Robert's 20-back Leia. Looks like it's graded AFA 50. I got 80 spots that I am going to copy and take over to random to generate our battle. I'm going to paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 80, all in a row. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 5. So we are good to go. Good luck, everybody, as we get right to it. Lucas takes round 1. Matt round 2. Matt round 3. David Harris takes round 4, which means our winner is David Harrison. And at number 11, congratulations, David. Here's the verification code and official results for you guys. PQCRJW. David Harrison in at number 11 is the champ of the 20-back Leia battle, which means I'm done at 9:19. There it is. Again, here's the official results. David in at number 11 is the winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.